How to earn Tarteel. Elevate your Quranic recitation with AI-powered assistance. Tarteel is an innovative AI-powered app designed to revolutionize Quranic recitation and memorization. With real-time feedback, sentence structure emphasis, voice search, progress tracking, and access to multiple translations, Tarteel offers a comprehensive learning experience for users worldwide. It is trusted by millions of Muslims across 150-plus countries and supports students pursuing Quranic studies through sponsorships. Pros of the Tarteel. Number 1. Real-time feedback. Instantly correct recitation mistakes and improve accuracy. Number 2. Sentence structure emphasis. Enhance understanding and usage of words through similar verses. Number 3. Voice search. Easily recite and locate corresponding text in Arabic. Number 4. Progress tracking and challenges. Set goals and track memorization progress with customizable challenges. Number 5. Multiple translations. Access over 112 translations for a comprehensive understanding. Number 6. Trusted and widely used, highly rated and embraced by millions of users globally. Number 7. Sponsorships for students, support for Quranic studies students. Cons of the Tarteel. Number 1. Internet connection required. Continuous access to the internet is necessary for real-time feedback and voice search. Number 2. Limited language support. While there are many translations available, some languages may have limited options. How to earn money with Tarteel. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote Tarteel through affiliate programs and earn commission for every user who signs up through your referral link. Number 2. In-app purchases. Offer premium features or additional content as in-app purchases for users looking to enhance their Quranic learning journey. Number 3. Content creation. Create educational content related to Quranic recitation, memorization, and understanding. Monetize your content through platforms like YouTube or a personal website. Number 4. Teaching services. Utilize Tarteel to showcase your expertise in Quranic recitation and offer personalized teaching services to interested learners. Number 5. Sponsorship collaborations. Partner with Tarteel for sponsorships or endorsements to promote the app to your audience. Special note: always comply with the app's terms of service and guidelines when using affiliate marketing or creating content related to Tarteel. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends for more online earning videos.